Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a loop basket. Knowing how to do a basket already would be useful. I'll put links to that in the description below. And being familiar with combs would be quite helpful as well because there's something in this that feels a little bit like a comb. So I'll put a link to the combs video as well in case you want to go back and look at that. But assuming you've got that in your repertoire, then you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's break that down. It starts off as a two-handed move. So we go semicircle back to two hands. Now in a normal basket, we'd bring the left up, take it through to the right, turning the lady to her left. It's going to feel very similar, except we're lifting the right up and taking it over to the left. So as we bring the lady forwards and into our right-hand side, we take the right hand through the middle, turning the lady to the right, it goes over the top, so it feels like a comb, down onto the lady's far shoulder, so we end up side by side, feet together, just like we would in a basket, but with different hands. From here, we sway the lady back. The lady goes back with the right, guys can go back with either foot, just like you would in a normal basket. We get our feet out of the way, just as we would in a normal basket, bring the lady round the corner. Then we send the lady into the turn. We end up in a double cross, so everyone's got their arms crossed. But during the return, everything's going to come good, and we're going to be back out in an open two-handed grip. Okay, so let's do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, we wrap 2, we twist out 3, go around the corner 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a loop, basket. It's a back, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that's it. Nice and easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you have notifications turned on and hit the bell, it'll mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you'll never miss one. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, just a link to a music video, which is going to be appropriate for this move. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.